We are here in Abersoch. Abersoch or Abersoch?
Abersoch.
Abersoch. First time out in our partly converted van, testing out and improving hopefully on what we've already done. But this morning heading down to the beach, probably spend the morning at the beach and then head back up for a chill this afternoon. Alrighty then, so this is the van. It's an L4H3 extra long wheelbase Peugeot Boxer 2012, currently painted in this sublime NATO green matte paint with a roller and some paint brushes. That's the boiler there, and this is the current state of the inside at the back. Lots to do here, lots to change. It's a work in progress, but I'll get there. Bear in mind, this is a part converted van, still not finished, but we just kind of wanted to get out and use it as much as we could. So in through the side door, nice seating area there with some storage underneath. Little bathroom that I'm still in the process of building, but slowly getting there. The fixed bed at the back, touch lights on the roof, touch LEDs I should say, and the kitchen unit and worktops just through the side door. This is a 12 volt oven imported from Australia called the Road Chef. It's fantastic. My Vitry Frigo fridge, equally as good, keeps everything super cold and uses next to no battery life. It's been on now I think for about two maybe 3 months straight without the battery dying. Yep, fixed bed. Tongue and groove, just dead simple. Does the trick and doesn't make much noise. So the IMAS on the left is for the boiler. Then we've got the centre screen there, which is for the diesel heater. It's running a planar heater. I got it fitted in Wrexham, which is not too far from myself. Works really well. Little gas stove. The sink and tap from B&Q, top quality as always, and the view. And yeah, this is the setup with the solar. So just one 300 watt solar panel on the roof, supplying my leisure battery that's in the boot. So that's a really quick tour around the van as she sits right now. This was probably filmed about a month ago, so look out for more of this van to come on the channel. Catch you soon, guys.